Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum guys, my name is Muhammad Ayan Ali and today we will learn about HTML attributes. So what are HTML attributes? HTML attributes provide additional information about HTML elements. All HTML elements can have attributes. Attributes provide additional information about elements. Attributes are always specified in the start tag. I teach you in a previous class about tags. Like this is starting tag and this is closing tag. In which tag like this slash is, that is closing tag, and which is clear, that is starting tag. And we can write our attributes in starting tag. In end tag we can't write attributes. Attributes usually come in name value pairs, like name is equal to value. For example, one attribute is href. Href is in anchor tag. Anchor tag is like a. We will write a like this. This is starting tag of anchor tag, and this like this. We are looking. This is end tag of anchor tag, and this href. This is a attribute. For example, I will show you it. We made yesterday a folder. So in that we will make another folder, course 2. Now I will open this with the VS Code. I will make a new file, index.html. Sorry guys, just wait. Index.html. Okay, now I created this. Now I told you shortcut that shift plus 1. We will click so we can get the shortcut to make the syntax of our main structure of this HTML. So now look, I will write anchor tag. To write anchor tag we have to press A and then press enter. So look, now I have written, and it is a anchor tag we are looking at. I will just give some space and it look clear. Yeah. Now look, it is a anchor tag and I can write anything, like I will write my name. I have written everything here I can write, but anchor tag meaning links. Now I will add an attribute is href. I will href, and now I can put any link that we will click on it and then we reach to our website. Like I will show you, I will write this W3 school. I have written the name. I didn't have written anything in href. In href we have to write the URL of that website. I will open it with the live server. Okay, now look, it is a link. It's not clickable. I am clicking but nothing is happened because I did not have set any URL in href. So now I will set a URL. Like I will now go to this W3 school, and here this is called URL. On the top is, this is link or URL you can say. So I will copy it and I will paste in href. In href we have to write the URL. I will paste. Now I will go to my that document I open with live server. Now look, this link is, I will click. So look, I reached to that website from my document. Look, I will do back. So look, I reached to this. So its meaning is that this is a link and it is taking us to the W3 school attributes. So we can write here anything, any link. For example, if you want to attach another HTML file, like I will write index2.html. I written, and now here I will write like this, and I will write in body h1. I told you that h1, h2, h3, these all are headings. So h1 is the largest heading, and I will write here web development. Web development. Okay, now in this href place I can write my file name. Like I written, now I have to attach index to one HTML, so I will do index. I will write, so it will give me suggestions. So I have to attach index2.html file. So I will click on it and look, automatically it is set here. Now when I will go to my document, so look, here is the link. Sorry, I will open again with live server. Okay, now look. Now this is link and I will click. So look, I reached my other HTML file, web development. I returned like this. This is now I have put here a link, and in other file I have written web development. And we have joined these both files together, and when I click this link, so I reach to this one file of HTML, and we can attach like this all files, and we can go to in one website like they have did like no, it's HTML attribute. This is to our link. I will click here, so it is like this. Now I reach to other page, and this is to linked by HTML. Now another example we will look. src attribute. It is used in image tag to put image URL and show image. I will show you in example. Now I will write here img, like image short form is img. I will write and click enter. And sometimes this VS Code don't give suggestions. You have to write all like this yourself. img, then src. Don't write like this. If you written img and it is not giving suggestion like this, so you press Ctrl plus spacebar. So it will give suggestions. So you can click enter. Now look, automatically it have put a whole line. So in alt, don't write anything. It's not for any work. Just to show in website any name, so you can write here. But src, you have to write the URL of the image. Like I will show you. I will search. I will like tree image I want. Now this is a tree. I will open it in new tab. And look, I will now copy it image link. Here is written copy image link. I will click it, and then I will go here, and in src I will paste the link. And when I will go to my document, so there like this image should be. Wait, look, here is the image in my that document. Now I will in next videos I will show you how to do this image small according to us. But now this I am showing you that how to add an image. And if that image is in your device or computer, so you don't have to download from internet. It is already in your storage, or it is already in your system. So how to do? Like I will download this image. Wait, I will download this image. Save image as, like I will go to our desktop. I will save it. Now it is saved. So now how to do? I will cross this link. So look, now I will write the name of, but it will not show me. Like I will go. This is the. I will now copy its this which. I will now copy its name, and I will paste here. So it will not show me in my document because it is not a link. It is just the name of it. And you can add it. How to add? I will show you that file. You have to copy it and take to your folder, which folder you have opened with VS Code. Like now we open this course 2.1 folder, so we have to paste it here. We will paste it, and then we can cross the folder. It's no issue. So we have to go in our VS Code, and then in src. In src, we have to put slash. The division sign is not like that, but slash I will put here, so it will give me decisions and suggestions. It will give me, and look, here's that image name. I will click here. It will not show suggestion until you will not put the image in that folder where you have opened the VS Code. Now I have put this. So now I will go to my document. Now look, it is getting add without the URL. It is in your system, so it will get add like this. And next video I will show you that how to do according to us small and like height and width, how to set. I will tell you in coming videos. And the width and height attributes. Okay, I will show you now. It came here, so I will show you the width and height attributes how to do. So I will show you just now. To my next video is not, because it came here, so we will show you now. Now to add it, we will go to head. Like you know the head I showed you, it's a main part of HTML head, and I will write here style. Style to make it width and height. I will write here style. I will press enter. Now I have to target it, I have to bring it. It is image, so I will write img image. Then I have to write curly braces like this, and I will press enter. This curly bracket should be here, and end one should be here like this. And I have to write now my everything style like CSS is. We have started CSS now. You think like this that we have started CSS now. So now it is image. We have to set it width. So we will write width. As we will write width, and we have to according to set in pixels. Like I will set in 200 px. Px meaning pixels. I will press enter, and now width set. I will show you like in my document. I will go look. 200 pixel width it's set. And now to set height, you have to write height. You will write height and press enter, and then you have to according to your in pixel you have to set, like I will set again in 200 pixel. So look, now height is increased according to our own. If I will do here like 900 px in both width and height, so I will open. So look, now it's how much increased. And now we can set it like 200 I did, and 200 I did, so it is now set like this. And now what is another things, I said just leave art appropriate. It's just to show the name of the image in the website. If you want to use, you can write any name in the alt. It's not necessary. Thus now I showed you style attribute, like we written in head style, but it's not necessary. We can write as an attribute. I showed you attribute meaning we write in a starting tag anything that's called attribute. Like my image, I will write style. So from here to I can do width set and all these things. Like I will do width here, and I will set 200 px. 200 px I set, and this one like this one style I will comment. Meaning the program will not read. So now I have set here width 200 pixel inside attribute. So now when I will open my document, so look, until it is set, I can set height too. But you should not do like this, because your program, then you will get confused to this, because you should do in head or in new file of CSS. There are like three type of CSS we can do: internal, external, and inline. Inline CSS meaning now I did like this attribute is called inline. Internal meaning in the HTML file like this we need a style, and external meaning we make a separate file of CSS like style.css. Now this is another file of CSS. Here we can do like HTML all styles. It is called external, but we will not do now. When we will come to CSS, then I will show you how to do. And the lang attribute, lang meaning language, like here's written lang. Here's written in HTML starting tag lang, and en meaning English. So like this you can set your English. You go and search in the Google VS Code languages, so you can get the languages names from their short forms. Like English short form is en, and you can according to set your language. And this title attribute. Title attribute is this one. This is the title attribute. This attribute are starting tag. The starting tags. It can be tags to an attribute you can write. So look in title. This title show our this one. Look, here's written document. This is our title document. We can change it. Like I will change it web site. I changed the website. So now look, the document is changed from website. So you can change from like this. And other attribute is just I will show you important chapters, not every chapter. So just which are important, I will make you just that things learn. So okay guys, just now attributes chapter is to finish. So we will meet in next videos. Till then, Allah Hafiz.